A very good evening to you or to all my students, those who are studying with me, those who have joined, those who are still want to remain in contact, even if you've got your license. We have noticed that in the WhatsApp group, people can see the names and the numbers of the people, and some scammers are calling you and saying they are from AmbrishQuickPatente, they give me a code. Obviously, you don't give any code to any person if you don't. That's why I'm giving a video. So you have 100% assurance that this message is coming from me. If you're not sure, double check and call me personally. So I'll answer and say, yes, this is me. So don't worry about that. And so remember, now we have left the Ambrish Quick Patente group. I have removed you. And those who want to come back in the community, we will not use the word group. I even changed the name. The English school will be called, I have changed the logo also. Ambrish International Driving Academy. Okay, Ambrish International Driving Academy. There'll be another logo, and it's a community. It's not a group. So if you see on the top that you belong to my community, you're safe. If you're in the group, then come out and ask me what you should do. Okay, so very important. One more thing, maybe the scammers have already taken your numbers down. So even if you're in the community, you might get a call again because maybe they have saved your number, maybe they have taken screenshot, I don't know. So please always be aware, even if whether you're in the community or group, if you get calls from any strange people and if you're not sure, don't entertain them. Don't talk for a long time. Don't give them any code. I have only me and one lady called Sajda working for me. If anybody calls and says he's from Ambrish Patente, and it's either going to be me or Sajda. Otherwise, everything else is a lie. It's a hoax. Don't believe them. Ask me, double confirm. Okay, so please keep yourself safe. I'm doing all this for your sake. It's a huge amount of trouble. This community thing is new for me, yet I am trying to make sure that my students are secure. Okay, I hope you appreciate that. I'm leaving this message in my WhatsApp status. I'll put it in TikTok, and tomorrow I'll send all the students with the link of the community to enter the Ambrish International Driving Academy community. Remember, it's not Ambrish Patente Group anymore. I've changed the name purposely so you're sure that you are in the right community. Okay? Thank you. I hope that is enough to keep you safe. And don't be worried. There are lots of problems in life. We'll take care of everything. Okay? You're nice and safe. Wish you all a nice evening. Goodbye. Take care. Arrivederci.